Hey guys, today we're going to be opening a Dragon Ball booster box, Manga booster box 2. I'm just going to show it off before I crack this thing open. These things have gotten pretty expensive. So we're going to open her up. Now there's a lot of great cards you can pull from these, which is why they've gone up so much. What we're after is the gold leaders and gold energy markers. So let's get opening them. I'm going to go slow so you can see the cards if you've never seen these. Almost all the cards are foil. And black and white, hence the name Manga Booster if you're not familiar. And we got an SR, King Piccolo. So there should be a bunch of SRs in here. If you're familiar with opening One Piece boxes, it kind of goes the same way. There's a bunch of regular SRs and maybe 3 to 4 big hits. And there's our first leader card, Shinron, and it's just a silver one. What we're looking for is a gold one. I think the gold one at this time right now of Shinron is around $600. We'll be speeding this up. We just want everyone to see the cards initially before we speed up. I want to say he's around $15, $20 right now. We'll show off some of these other cards. And not only are there gold energy markers, but there's also gold leaders, but there's a chance for alternate art. As we get going, I'll speed up through it, or secret rares, because I know you guys want to see all the good stuff. Red cards. And then the alt leaders. Oh, Yamcha. Oh, I see something. Oh, what is it? And we got a gold Goku leader. Alright. Now, there's always at least one gold card mixed in. It doesn't necessarily mean this is the hit of the box. There's a bunch of alts that we can get. And there's also a potential for another, including one of the energy markers. So we'll keep on going. Alright, we got an SR Goku. Man, that card is pretty. I love all regular SRs. They're heavily underrated. I think they're all starting to climb in price too. Another SR. Now the interesting thing about this card is people really like this one. And I understand why, but it's actually pretty common, despite its I think it's a $25 card. Almost every box seems to have like 2 or 3 of them. Oh man, that's a big hit right here. Wait up. Box are very hard, it's not a guarantee. Alright, we got a Gohan SR. Another really pretty underrated card. We got Krillin. Who's behind Krillin? Oh no, it's Frieza. How ironic. And it's the SR. They would put Krillin right there with Frieza. And Mercenaries. Oh. Another SR, very common. Probably the weakest one of them all. Not playability wise, but. And we still haven't hit any energy markers yet. Oh, now we have. And it's a silver. This is a rather rare one. It has no flaws from the looks of it. Let's leave this guy up. Definitely an energy marker I didn't have. There's still one more energy marker in the box. Guaranteed. So let's keep on going. Now Gohan and Piccolo SR. Man, and Gohan was right on top of Piccolo. It's almost like they're stacking the packs. Wowza. Oh, we got another leader. You know, we haven't really opened many leaders yet. We got the regular Gotenks, and then earlier we got the alt art Gotenks of this card. We'll just go through all the rest of them real quick. And, oh, we got Future Trunks, SR. I wonder if he has an alt art. I need to check. I haven't gotten it in all the manga boosters I've opened in the past. Oh, Hercule. And we got Frieza's SR. All right. Another pretty card. And we got the Silver Goku leader card. If you remember earlier in the video, we managed to get the gold version, which is really rare. It's good to have the silver to match it. We'll go through the rest of these cards. And we got the other energy marker. Unfortunately, it is the silver one, but it is a rare energy marker. This one's pretty uncommon. I may have pulled this before, I'm not sure. I think I have, but I know this one is a more desirable one. Well, that should be it for energy markers. Didn't get a gold one, but there's still there's still quite a few packs left that we need to open. I'm gonna move a little quicker through them. Thanks for being with us, guys. I'm gonna be opening a lot of other boxes, including Manga Booster 1s, if you guys want to subscribe. That one has me nervous. $2,000+ box. We're gonna crack it. See, like I said, we usually get like two or three of these a box. Despite how cool this card is, you'll love it. It's definitely one of my favorites. I love this card so much. It's kind of funny. Oh, and then, yeah, we got Go Tanks. SR, regular SR. We got the leader, the alt art, now the SR for Go Tanks in one box. That Android 17 kicking the crap out of Piccolo. Every time I see that card, man. Oh, now we got another King Piccolo SR. This is the second one in the box. I think we're on last pack. Just gotta put 2 in there. Alright, last pack magic. Let's see. Still a possibility of an alt art. Didn't get any of the red cards. Oh, and we got Trunks. Future Trunks. Leader card, silver. Let's leave this guy up. And that should be it for this pack. Well, thank you guys for watching. Just like I said, subscribe. We'll open that Manga Booster 1 box. I think I have some more Manga Booster 2 boxes. We're gonna be opening some old and new Yu-Gi-Oh. Have a lot of boxes to open if you guys want to see them. And we'll also be opening Magic as well.